In Northern Ireland, the National Trust looks after 46 square miles of land.
We care for 108 miles of coastline. That's 22% of the entire coast.
Our natural environment is under pressure and our wildlife is in decline.
As land managers, we are committed to sustainable farming.
By providing access to countryside and coast, we help people get close to nature.
We have big ambitions for nature and we can't do it alone. We need people like you to help us create a better future for nature in Northern Ireland.